Welcome back to the DIYnanny channel. Today I'm going to work on some unicorn headbands and I'm gonna tell you exactly why. But before I do that, if you're new here, welcome. I'm the DIYnanny and I share DIYs, craft and little hacks I create in the playroom. You can check out the rest of my videos on this channel, and if you like it, please hit that subscribe button. Now let's begin. So today, and I mean today, the day I'm posting this video, not today, the day I'm making it, is actually the Eurovision competition final. And my friends are throwing a big watch party. Because most of us are from Israel, we are cheering on Noa Kirel, who represent Israel in this competition. Her song is called Unicorn, so I thought it would be cool to make some accessories and create some unicorn headbands for us to wear. For that purpose, I got some headbands from Michael's. I actually grabbed that out of the $1 to $5 basket next to the registers. I have other headbands at home that I might use because I only have 6 here, but I'm not sure. I also got some styrofoam cones that I think can be perfect as the horn for the unicorn. And I'll be using this felt that I got off of Amazon. I already shared a little bit about it in my latest mini replica cake. I got it for the variety of colors, but the quality, the thickness is not what I expected. It's not even nice to touch, kind of. So I think it's a good project to use it for. I picked some cute unicorn colors. And my plan is basically to either cover it or paint it. I will see. Glue it on top, of course, and then cover it with some felt flowers all around. I'm gonna use spiral flowers, I think. I'm gonna go ahead and design some designs and cut at least one to see and figure out how it turns out. I'm gonna try and make different flowers in different sizes and put a lot of colors on each one. I used spiral flowers on felt once before on a felt cake, and it was really cool and it looked really good and it was very easy to create. I'm not sure how it looked on this felt because, like I said, it's a bit thinner, it's a bit, it's less flexible, I feel like. So we're gonna try it out and we'll see if it works out. So let's begin. So I got all the spiral flowers cut. I chose 6 colors. They are in the colors of the headbands. It didn't start as intentional, but after I cut a few of them, I realized I kind of matched the colors, so I just went with it. I also tested one of the cones with a different color of felt around. I just kind of cut quarter of a circle kind of and used some hot glue and closed the bottom. And I think it's cute. I think it matches all of the colors. So I will do it covered with felt. So now I just need to start rolling some flowers. flowers are all ready. The cones are covered and ready. I think I'm gonna add some of my fabric paints for the cones, maybe go in a spiral or other patterns. I also wanted to show you that I remembered I have this box of flowers. Just while I was making these, I was like, oh yeah, I have these flowers, and the colors really working with this. These are paper flowers, I think. So I'm gonna add these to the headbands as well. So let's put this all together. And that's it for this video. My unicorn headband came out super cute. If you want to see all of them in action, you can go ahead and check my Instagram stories. I'll probably post from our watch party. But for now, let me show you the finished product.